are several steps that I do to make the composite restoration using Stellite Sigma Quick to look even more natural and to last for a long time bonded to the tooth. Perhaps the first and the most important step is to make a clean and neat cavity preparation. Then I make a wide bevel, selectively etch the enamel with phosphoric acid, avoiding the dentin as much as possible, and rinse and dry. Then apply universal bond, dry lightly, then place Stellite Sigma Quick composite in several small increments to make sure that no voids or gaps are formed. I use my hand instruments to make an occlusal anatomy, then cure it again. The next step is to see if all the superficial surfaces of the cavity prep were sealed with the paste. If not, then I place some flowable composite on those areas. This extra final step, in my opinion, will ensure that the final restoration will look very natural, blending to the tooth without any gaps or voids.